In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover a lost password from Google Chrome. Losing a password can be an incredibly frustrating experience, especially if it's for an account you regularly use. Fortunately, if you have been using Google Chrome to save your passwords, there's an easy way to retrieve them. So, let's dive into the step-by-step process to get your passwords back using Chrome's built-in password management tool. First, open your Chrome browser. We need to go to a specific location within Chrome where your saved passwords are managed. In the address bar at the top of your browser, you're going to want to type in Chrome/Password Manager Settings. This is going to take you directly to the Password Manager settings page. It's a handy feature many users aren't aware exists, and it's a gateway to all the password management controls you might need. Once you're on this page, take a look to the left-hand side where you'll find the menu and click on Settings. This is going to bring up more options related to your password settings. The settings area is where you can manage how your passwords are handled in Chrome, so it's useful to know how to navigate around. Now, under the section labeled Import Passwords, you will see a button that says Select File. Go ahead and click on it. This action will prompt a dialog box to open, which is where you are going to tell Chrome where to find the passwords you want to import. For the next step, you need to have a CSV file ready with your backed up passwords. A CSV file, or comma-separated values file, is a simple way to store tabular data. It's essential to have this backup file because it contains all the passwords you previously saved in Chrome. Look through your files and locate the CSV file with your passwords. After selecting the correct file, with it highlighted, click Open. This tells Chrome to begin importing the passwords into your browser. It might take a few moments, so be patient. Once the import process has completed, the passwords from your CSV file should now be available within Chrome. So there you have it, a simple guide to recovering lost passwords using Google Chrome. Remember, regularly backing up your passwords and securely storing them can save you a lot of time and hassle in the future. I hope this guide has been helpful and that you've successfully recovered your passwords. Thank you for watching, and as always, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and how-tos.